Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Dogecoin once again, and this has been a long time that I haven't updated you about the Dogecoin as well. And I used to do updates a long time ago as well in the past. Now, the current market situation is not really good, and I don't like the fact of that what Dogecoin is trying to do right now. And can it go up? Maybe, potentially, just a little bit, but you've broken out of a descending triangle, which I didn't want to see broken out of. Do you see that? This was a very big level of support that has been lost, and in my opinion, you're looking to go way more down than 13 cents and even way more down to maybe 0.06 as well. This previous high, do you see this? This previous high is where you can actually dump towards because of Bitcoin as well. Now Bitcoin also has a threat to go to $24,000. Now there's something still motivating, and there's something that I want to tell you about Dogecoin. Now me personally, I've been holding it, and I used to do this experiment in the past about this one as well, and then you have this one as well. Now the bad part about it is that this one is failing, and I used to actually give idea to many people that Dogecoin, I'm not gonna give you any financial advice, and I used to update back in the days that is it gonna go down or up. Yes, my overview, the bird's view, is still bullish nonetheless. Even if you do go down, I'm still bullish on it, and I still believe in the future, though it's gonna come to this level and even $1 and even $2 potentially in the very distant future. But it's only because of Bitcoin. Now Dogecoin itself on the charts was looking so good, but why am I saying that Dogecoin can go to $1? I want to talk about the market phases and the euphoria, whatever you have. So I'm gonna write in here the market phases, just like that, and there's an image that I want to show you basically. So here we are with this, the market phases. Okay, so what I learned is I'm gonna actually compare this onto Dogecoin as well, and I used to look at someone on YouTube as well, called Trade Confident. You can check out his channel. You can, if you can write that Adam Coins recommended you, that would be nice and amazing. So I did see one of his videos, and what he said is that you have this market phase where you're just taking off. You have the first sell-off, you have a bear trap, and then you just continue. You have the media attention, the enthusiasm, the greed, the delusion, new paradigm. Okay, so basically a lot of people, they bought at the new paradigm, and I'm gonna tell you what that is. So the new paradigm is the top of the mountain right there. The next thing is you have the return to normal and a bull trap. So what I do believe is that this was a bull trap for us actually, that we're gonna go to the upside. That's like a bull trap. And then from here you have the fear, the capitulation, the return to the mean, and then the despair. So as we were buying at the 26, and think about the people who are buying here at the 76. Okay, I was recommending back during that time, because what we had was like nearly if you talk about the 26, like 60% drop already, but it doesn't still mean that you cannot keep dropping from there. And once you, like, what I'm expecting is this big capitulation and despair. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to expect that. So it's gonna be very big to the downside, just like this. And when you have that one, you bounce off that place, and then people are gonna be very angry at the fact that Dogecoin has gone down to the 0.0754. And let me tell you what is gonna happen once again. What's gonna happen basically, if I can have this one, is this, absolutely this. So you have anxiety, you have denial, you have panic, you have capitulation, you have anger. You potentially are gonna be angry at times like this. That's given, that's actually believable. And then you're going to see Dogecoin just continue like this. And previously you came from disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria, and then from here, that's what you're doing, going down. And we're looking for the anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, anger. This has to come from Dogecoin as well. That has to come. But what happens next is what really matters, because you also have another cycle repeating once again. Do you see? You go to anger, depression, disbelief. So when you reach disbelief, you're gonna have another surge to the upside once again. Now when this cycle repeats, it's like a rinse and repeat system of like this, then you go down, then you go down like this. Do you understand that? So I'm still bullish on it on a higher time frame. All right, on a higher time frame, I'm still bullish on it. Just because I say it's going down, Dogecoin has been here for like 5-6 years, and there's a reason why we have invested in it. Personally, we've been purchasing it big, and I'm still not gonna sell any of the Dogecoin just because they're gonna drop like this, honestly. But I can trade it in between, maybe sell it here, buy back later when it goes down there. But if you guys think that Dogecoin cannot surprise you in the future by not going to the $1, I think it could surprise you. It's a coin that has a lot of potential to cross even $1. People didn't believe it when it was down here, okay? They didn't believe it. So basically, you're gonna see another very, very long, like this kind of thing. Disbelief comes in, anger, and then you push to the upside. So you could just see the very, very, very same painful thing happening again. Come down and just move like this. People are so angry until the end of the year, and then maybe by the start of the year, maybe next year, boom, you take off to the upside. So that's just how it is. And crypto, once again, is a long-term game sometimes. Yes, it is. Sometimes it's not. But at the moment, it is what it is. Maybe it's just a long-term game, and you have to like deal with the long term. And thanks so much for watching the video. I'm still like bullish on it on a higher time frame, but on the shorter time frame, unfortunately, a dump can happen, guys. And I'm gonna